Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Volkswagen Golf 77 TSI, stock reference number 4040. This shape runs from the 12th month 2008 through to the 3rd month 2013. It has a CBZB 1.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. CBZB 1.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, left-hand headlight, left guard has one small dent, left front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door appears to have no damage, left rear door has 2 small dents. We have the left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tailgate has 1 small dent, right-hand tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, right tail light, right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right rear door has 2 small dents. Right power door mirror, driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, black cloth center console lid, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with no audio or cruise control. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.